Hi! Today I will show you how to decorate a bottle by using the macrame technique. Asiasiowo. Cut a piece of cord longer than the circumference of the bottle. Now cut 16 pieces of cord. Fold the piece of cord in half. Place it under the first cord and move the ends through the loop. Tighten the knot. Do the same with the other cords. Attach everything to the bottle. Take 4 cords. Put the first cord on the others. Move the fourth cord on top. Then put it under the third and second cord and pull it up. Tighten the knot. Now do the same, but start with the fourth cord. Take another 4 cords and do the same. Make the second row of knots by taking 2 cords from one knot and 2 cords from the other knot. Make the knots in the second row at a distance from those in the first row. Now take half the cords and make another row of knots on them. Skip to side cords. Do the next row in a similar way, skipping the side cords. The last, 5th row is also similar. Now braid the edge of the pattern. Take the first cord from the side and braid it with all the other cords. Do the same on the other side of bottle. Now make a knot on one cord of both parts of the pattern. Cut off the excess of cords. Unscrew the ends. Count them. Finally, put the lights in the bottle. And it's done! Such a decoration will help you create a wonderful atmosphere during warm summer evenings. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That's all for today. See you soon!